Today we're taking a look at the DockteckExpand 7-in-1 USB-C hub that contains an HDMI port, a micro SD port, a regular SD port, 3 USB ports, and a Type-C PD port. Inside the package, you will find the actual USB-C hub with all of those ports that I just mentioned, as well as a soft case that you can keep it in or store it in when you're traveling or when you're not using it. I do want to note that the case does not have a closure of any kind, so it simply gets put into this pouch and there's no way to close it. This device uses a USB-C connection, so your device that you're using, a laptop or a computer, does have to have a USB-C connection port. Or I'm sure you can find an adapter for a different port, but for this one, my laptop does have the USB-C port. This device does allow charging of other devices. So here I hooked up a USB cord to a cell phone, and as you can see, it is charging. If you have memory cards that you use for a GoPro or a digital camera or anything like that, you can insert the full card if you have a full-size SD card, or you can insert a micro SD card. I also have a USB dongle that I use for the micro SD card, so you can insert that. And then there is an HDMI port on the other side, so if your device uses an HDMI connection, you do have the port for that. The 3 USB ports are lined up next to each other, followed by the Type-C PD port. And you can see that when it is connected, it does have an indicator light showing you that it is connected. It functions just like any other port, so when you're done using the device, you just click eject and you're good to go. Finally, inside the package, it does come with lifetime tech support, returns and replacements, friendly customer service, and a 24-month product warranty. We did receive this item for free in exchange for an honest review.